Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, hi. My name is Tegar Rahmad Pamungkas. I'm from Banyuwangi, a class 3C, D4 electric engineer. I will present about renewable energy. Utilization of waste as a renewable energy source. Preliminary. Carbon which is essential with the state of course has a negative impact on the environment. For example, food disease outbreaks and resulting air pollution. The gas the gas produced by the waste also has the potential to cause the ozone layer to deplete. The TPA final disposal sheet provided by the government in big cities is not enough to solve the waste problem. This is because the volume of water will continue to increase along with the increase in population. From the various negative impacts of the water, it turns out that there are positive sides. Waste is a potential biomass that can be converted into electric energy. The fact shows that the potential for achieving municipal waste for power generation in Indonesia is very large. Role of waste utilization. Uh, One is an effort to preserve the environment, reduce air pollution generated by waste and significantly mitigate greenhouse gas emission, methane CH4 and carbon dioxide CO2 so that they can contribute to global warming. Contribute as a effort to save natural energy resource diversification PLTS together with other renewable energies as a solution to an energy crisis. Another benefit is to overcome the oversight TPST contributes to improving the cleanliness and health of the city. Purpose of waste utilization as a solution to optimize waste processing into electric energy. By implementing this idea, it is hoped that it will bring a better impact in overcoming the problem of urban waste to answer the challenge in the development of waste processing into electric energy, including the existence of full subsidies. Overlapping land for several types of energy, such as community problem, because they are often close to resident areas. Funding difficulties, electricity selling prices, human resource development in the management of land waste into energy sources. Ideal. Carbon weight in either with the certain of course has a negative impact of the environment. For example, food disease outbreaks and recent air pollution. The gas produced by the waste also has the potential to cause the ozone layer to deplete. TPA final disposal of waste to sanitary landfill provided by the government in big cities is not enough to overcome the problem of waste. This is because the volume of waste will continue to increase along the increase in population. Scheme of various types of waste into electric energy. This is a scheme where waste is recycled and turned into electric energy. Turbo is created uh, to utilize waste. Uh, can still be replaced. The waste in the store in a bunker that observer EDF refuses the retrieval technology. This retrieval technology is useful uh, in converting waste into solid so that it has a high value. So it is carried out until the water content is far, far 45%, which is then followed by combustion. From this combustion will produce electric energy and reduce the volume of waste. The stress of the combustion will become S and currently was volume is 5% of the previous amount of waste. The ash from the combustion can be as out for bleeding raw material or making soul helps the result of burning was the will produce that can be outside out will the steam produce is outside to turn out to which is connected to a generator. Steam passing through the turbine will wash and head and be channeled to the boiler again to heat it and so on. The processing of first types of waste from waste is divided into the ML solid, liquid, and gas waste. The the rest solid waste, the rest of the burning has and freely dust of 20% of its original weight will be tested for its counter whether it contains hazardous and toxic material B3 or not in the laboratory. If it does not contain B3, it can be as building raw material such as bricks. However, if it contains B3, it will be corrosive with certain technology in accordance with applicable regulation. To accommodate this as level like PLTS location and as reference will be mounted that can accommodate as for folding processing. Liquid waste in the activity of draining garbage in will produce layers and odor. Let is accommodated and then because processed to occur time level. With the order written is in a negative process because so that it will not come out but is cooking in the furnace so it is cause the smell garbage. Gas buster. Garbage is that has not been processed will be emit ambulance order and orders are played out. This will disturb the comfort of the surrounding population. Therefore, this separated road is needed to the PLTS location, and this will be planted around the latest building to from our green meanwhile, the rest of the outcast will be processed through a treatment consisting of the house gas from the combustion will be sprayed will better to lower the gas temperature quickly to prevent the oxygen from forming and capture water soluble air pollution such as NOx, SOx, HCl has as dus and better notice. Then the gas to be carried out in the reactor will be added with Cao as much as 20 kg per ton. Of the term of acid gas SOx, HCl, H2S, VOC have HIP. This and fertilizers when the gas comes out of the reactor. 1 kilogram of adjusting carbon will be emitted in this gas per ton of waste, aiming to absorb mercury vapor on the CO. Then the gas will be flowed to the backfiller with the aim of letting PM10 and PM to the 5%. Finally, the exit gas will release into the air thing with averaging 7 meter. Uh, yes, I will present ini will present our renewable energy. Uh, Thank you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.